All right, let's show you Del Mar. Of course, the racing season kicks off tomorrow, and the horses are already out there warming up early this morning. A little hazy there, but foggier in other areas like La Jolla. This is at UCSD. Visibility up and down our coastline, pretty much less than a mile. Oceanside, Carlsbad, all the way down through La Jolla, San Diego, Imperial Beach, even Chula Vista, and then out to Kearney Mesa. So from the coast to about maybe 10-15 miles inland, we are dealing with that fog. Visibility may drop off to near nothing at times. Again, that National Weather Service did just issue a dense fog advisory for this morning. Temperatures are starting off in the 60s, a very warm start for many areas. In fact, Ocotillo Wells right now 94, Julian just shy of 70, Alpine the same, Hamul the same as well. Temperatures will be warming very quickly again today, but about 2 to 5 degrees cooler than yesterday as cooler air filters into the north of us, pushes that high pressure, that bubble of hot air farther away from us. Not going to notice so much of a drop in temperatures today, but tomorrow temperatures will actually drop below normal. And fair weather actually sticks around into the weekend. Starting Sunday, though, the humidity starts to go up as that monsoon moisture does come back. So it is going to be a little bit more muggy Sunday into looks like much of next week at this point. Of course, Comic-Con this week, temperatures really nice in the low 70s Thursday into the weekend. Our inland neighborhoods, temperatures plummeting to the mid 80s tomorrow and then into the 70s by the end of the work week. Overnight temperatures will be in the 60s. We'll also see a deepening marine layer this week, so patchy fog still possible in the morning, but moving farther inland. By Thursday, we're in the 70s also in our mountains, and today's the last day above 110 in the deserts.